Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I have done my gaming PC. Got the live camera don't open them yet. So I got my monitor and I got my actual PC. So yeah, let's get into it. So as you can see, there's the CyberPower box, pretty big. And then there's my monitor box. So yeah, I'd say we'll open the monitor first. So yeah, let's open the monitor first. Hey guys, so we're just about to open the monitor here. Got our knives. So I'll get the sharper one. It'll probably work better. So it's not quite easy. That did a I'll show you guys. Yep. There's the monitor. The box for it. So yeah, let's open it up. And get that side. So I might be moving some of my video to the PC. Once I get the games and everything. Like I'll get Fallout 4 and GTA 5 and all that stuff. So we have it opened here. And yeah, let's see what we have opened here. Turn these back. I guess which one has or not. And there it is. The monitor. So I'm gonna have to find a way to try and I hope you guys can see. I don't know why the white light keep falling down on me. So rip it out of here. And let's see what else is in here. Okay, so we got the white power cord. Got some more cords. We got the sand that it's sand on. And or maybe that is the sand. Yeah, that is the sand right here. So yeah, now that we got all that out, let's get into the PC. I'm gonna have to do it with this. So let's get into the monitor. So we'll open it up like this. And go to the other side. And there. So let's see inside here. We got a did from the jeans I had. Let them know I'm planning on putting it up on my wall. So I'll put that up on the wall for soundproof in my room. So that should make for better videos. And there is the computer. So since it's so big, I'm not gonna be able to open it all up in that video. But I can open up I can look at the gaming note and keyboard. So there's the keyboard. Then I got the motherboard, keyboard. So yeah. Hey guys, welcome back. So I haven't sat in a while. We got the PC right there, all ready, and then here's the keyboard right there, and these can roll up. In between, it doesn't roll up in there, but right there. And then the mouse rolled up there. So excited. I'm downloading a theme now. So, and then play it. I think that download. Yeah, see? I just need logged in. So I'm done logged in there in a minute. And yeah. So I cleared everything off my game setup. I got the snowball there, my monitor, and then my TV that I use format bought and put it done. So if you guys want me to do a demon setup tour soon, maybe in the next week or so, be sure to like that video. Because I can do one. That's it. Yeah, I'll do one. So yeah, that my demon setup unboxing. Be sure to like, comment, and yeah, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video.